Hi, I'm Rowena McPherson. As a professional graphic designer, photographer, and digital arts educator working in the field for over 20 years, I've spent countless hours using the Adobe programs. Photoshop has long been held as an industry standard for graphic design, image editing, and digital art, and there's a reason for that. It's crammed full of useful tools for editing and augmenting photos, as well as creating unique and original artwork. However, this same aspect of the software can be really overwhelming, and it begs the question of where do I start? I'll be leading a Photoshop intensive called Editing and Compositing in Photoshop for Beginners. So whether you have a little experience working with photos or are brand new to Photoshop, this workshop will change the way you look at images. Learning how to manipulate your photos or combine multiple images, which is also known as compositing, will open a new world of creative possibilities for you. The sessions are project-based and designed to teach the core foundations of Adobe Photoshop, while also considering design principles such as scale, color, and composition. You'll be led step by step through some of the essential tools and settings in Photoshop while learning non-destructive editing practices. Each lesson will build on the skills previously covered. Some of the topics will include file formats and resolution, picking the best images for your composite, getting to know the selection and editing tools, making, organizing, and moving layers, cloning, masking, and we'll explore some visual effects. Again, this is an introductory workshop, so it's designed for first-time and beginning Photoshop users, and no prior experience with the software is needed. I'll be teaching using the latest version of Adobe software, so you'll need Photoshop version CC or higher already installed on your personal computer or laptop. So while Photoshop can be intimidating and a bit overwhelming, I invite you to join me for this workshop and learn to start conquering this amazing and versatile program.